Honda CR-V models from 2015 onwards have significant changes in how you check transmission fluid. These newer models use a completely different system than older vehicles. The biggest change is the switch from traditional automatic transmissions to continuously variable transmissions, or CVT. This requires completely different checking procedures and specialized fluid. CVT transmissions work differently than traditional automatics. They use a belt and pulley system instead of fixed gears, providing smooth acceleration but requiring specialized maintenance procedures. Unlike older models, 2015 and newer CR-V models have sealed transmission systems with no traditional dipstick. This means you cannot simply pull out a dipstick to check fluid level and condition. Honda CR-V CVT systems require Honda genuine HCF2 transmission fluid. This is not the same as regular automatic transmission fluid, and using the wrong fluid can damage your transmission and void your warranty. To check CVT fluid, you must access a service port located underneath the vehicle on the transmission pan. This requires lifting the vehicle and removing protective panels, which is why professional service is recommended. CVT fluid temperature must be precisely between 95 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit for accurate readings. This narrow temperature window requires professional equipment to monitor and maintain safely. Due to the complexity, safety requirements, and specialized equipment needed, Honda recommends having CVT fluid checked by qualified technicians. This ensures accurate readings and maintains your vehicle's warranty coverage. First, you'll need to elevate your Honda CR-V using a lift or ramps to safely access the underbody. This is essential since modern CR-Vs don't have accessible dipsticks. Next, remove any splash shields or protective covers to expose the transmission pan. These shields protect the transmission but need to be removed for service access. Locate the overflow plug on the transmission pan. This small plug is your access point for checking fluid level. The technical diagram shows the exact location of both the refill and overflow plugs. Before removing the plug, ensure the transmission fluid temperature is between 95 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Use an infrared thermometer to accurately measure the fluid temperature. With the engine running and transmission at proper temperature, carefully remove the overflow plug. The correct fluid level is indicated when fluid drips out slowly at a rate of 1 to 2 drops per second. Safety is crucial when working with CVT fluid, as it can reach temperatures over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Always wear heat-resistant gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from hot fluid splashes. Remember, checking CVT fluid without a dipstick requires professional equipment and proper safety precautions. Always ensure correct temperature, proper drip rate, and use appropriate safety gear when performing this procedure.